Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Ginataang Langka. This creamy Filipino dish features young jackfruit simmered in rich coconut milk, often with a hint of spice and savory notes. We'll cover preparing the main ingredients, the step-by-step cooking process, and how to achieve that perfect, tender texture. Get ready to create a delicious and comforting meal that's a staple in many Filipino homes, perfect for any occasion. First, let's prepare our young jackfruit. You'll need about 1 medium-sized green jackfruit, peeled and cut into bite-sized pieces. For the aromatics, finely chop 4 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, and about a 2-inch piece of ginger. These will form the flavorful base of our dish. Don't forget to have your preferred savory additions ready, like a tablespoon of shrimp paste or fish sauce, to enhance the umami. Now it's time to cook. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium heat. Sauté the garlic, onion, and ginger until fragrant, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the prepared jackfruit pieces and stir well. Pour in about 4 cups of thick coconut milk and 1 cup of thin coconut milk. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for 20 to 30 minutes or until the jackfruit is tender. Once the jackfruit is tender and the sauce has thickened, it's time to adjust the seasoning. Taste and add salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For an extra kick, you can stir in 1 or 2 chopped green chilies. Some also like to add a handful of green beans during the last 5 minutes of cooking for added texture. Serve your Ginataang Langka hot with steamed white rice for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.